Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you. So today
we are going to be making stirred fried rice.
So let's get right into it.
Okay, here are the ingredients you need for your stir fried rice. Your protein, soy and oyster sauces, bell peppers, carrots, ginger paste to season your chicken, sausage, prawns, and your spring onions. So first, you wash your chicken thoroughly and make sure it's clean. Go ahead to marinate with your ginger paste and seasoning. Mix properly. And leave it to marinate. Okay stars, it's time to prep your veggies. Neatly cut them into smaller pieces and keep them aside. In a pan, drizzle your oil and go ahead to fry your sausage. Okay guys, go ahead and fry your eggs. And scramble your eggs properly. In your pots, drizzle a little oil. Saute your spring onions. And stir guys, stir properly. Add your veggies, your carrots, bell peppers, then give it a good stir guys. Stir properly. Go ahead and pour in your day-old rice. Add your oyster sauce and your soy sauce. Then you stir. Add your sausage and stir. Also, pour in your scrambled eggs and keep stirring. Finally, stars, add your fried prawns and stir till it dries. And voila! Your delicious stir-fried rice is ready. Trust me, stars, this rice tastes better than it looks. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!